Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng sapatos na na-order natin from Atmos. Let's go! Pero bago yan guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, ito na yung box na na-receive natin from Atmos Philippines. Ayan, so ganito siya. Pag na-receive nyo, ayan. Unboxing video required. So, no video, no returns, no exchange. So, tara, unbox na natin to guys. So, yun guys, so finally natanggal na natin itong balot and so, ganito siya guys. Yung box ng Atmos Philippines. So, kapag umorder kayo online, ganito yung marireceive nyo. Ayan. And then, merong love letter si Atmos. Sheesh! So, ayan guys. So, alam nyo na. Sa box pa lang, alam nyo na kung anong sapatos to. So, guys. Pero guys, alam nyo, kahit meron na ako nito, nakaka-excite pa din. Grabe. Siyempre guys, yung kanilang ampaw. Ayan. This one guys, smell test. Bango talaga. At iba yung guys, oh. Iba yung feel. Kapag binili mo talaga online, fresh na fresh. So, ayun guys. So describe ko lang guys yung materials and yung colorway ng sapatos ito guys. So, here, yung leather niya is may pagka sail off-white. And then yung overlay niya is green or oily green according sa descriptions niya. And then, pinartner siya ng fiery red. Yung iba naman they call it parang burgundy. And then of course yung tongue label, sinamahan nila guys ng metallic gold yung print. And then sa likod, syempre yung metallic gold as well, yung Jordan logo. And then sa loob guys, makikita nyo sa likod ng tongue is the Jumpman logo or pinapalibutan ng dragon. And then, of course, sa loob, guys, ayan, meron din siyang Jumpman logo. Ayan. And then, yung outer sole niya, guys, translucent siya. Ayan. So, maganda yung combination ng color niya, guys. In my opinion, so I'm sure hindi lahat mag-agree sa akin. Pero for me, napakaganda ng colorway na to. Okay? That's it for today. Again guys, na-purchase natin to sa Atmos Philippines for retail price of 8,895 pesos. Free shipping. So ayun guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe.